Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove paragraph mark symbols in Word. Open the Word document where you can see all the current paragraph marks. To delete them, simply from the Start menu, click on the Show Hide option. You will see that they will have been deleted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.